Next experiment is DCP, that is dynamic cone penetrometer. The DCP is used mainly to study the variation in the subgrade or along the foundation. Let's say we have different layers. So this is subgrade layer. So below subgrade we have different kind of soils, let's say. So now we want to identify how the soils are below subgrade, because if you have a clay, very weak clay, it will affect our pavement foundation. So to know the kind of soil we have below subgrade, we use this DCP equipment. But DCP has a value correlation with CBR. DCP has a value relation with the CBR value. So once we know the DCP value, we can identify the soil CBR. So equations, empirical equations. So we have empirical equations. So basically what we do here, now we will keep this DCP, basically it's a small cone, right, on the subgrade soil, and then we apply impact load, right, through a hammer. So this cone starts penetrating lower and lower. So as it penetrates, this cone will see the resistance at the soil. If it is a very strong or a very stiff soil, it will find more resistance. It means it will apply more blows for it to push it down. If it is a very weak soil, within one blow it can go very at the lower distance. So once you get the data, you plot depth of penetration, then number of blows. Right? So what happens here, if you increase number of blows, it goes deeper and deeper. So let's say this is the where we start 0 blows. So you get different kind of curves like this. So now this change in shape indicates presence of one particular layer, and then this is particular layer and this is other layer. So this basically classify the kind of stratification below the subgrade or below the foundation of the pavement. So if you see here, this is having a very steep slope, this is having a very flat slope. You see here, this is a very weak soil, because with increasing blows, this particular DCP is going to penetrate very easily. But if you see here, with increasing number of blows, it is not penetrating more. It is stiff soil. This is a stiff soil or stiff layer. This is a weak layer. So this basically classify how this soil is below the subgrade. So basically it consists of loading hammer. This is a hammer for loading the cone, and this is the stand. See here, there is a particular cone which will go into the soil. Now this cone will get the resistance of the soil. If it is a very stiff soil, it's a more resistant. If it's a very weak soil, low resistance. And then we have a scale to measure the how much it is getting into the soil penetration.
Dynamic cone penetrometer setup. It consists of handle, top rod, bottom rod, anvil, 8 kg weight, measuring scale, and a bottom plate. Now just note the initial reading on the measuring scale. Presently it's 50 mm. Then go for the first blow. Now the measurement has increased to 60 mm. Again for one blow it's 60 mm. Go for the second. Now it's 72 mm. Likewise repeat this step till it reaches the bottom. Means it's a 1 meter scale. Repeat this till it reaches the bottom.